Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding baby collection. Baby stylish frock designs, crochet frock designs, different ideas for you. Decorated with flowers, beaded stones, bow tie. See beautiful frock designs for babies. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of baby crochet frock designs, baby girl frock designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful frock designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, ibiva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. See beautiful frock designs, very beautiful frock designs. Your babies can easily carry, can easily move with beautiful frock designs. Your babies can wear when you go in the birthday party, wedding party. With matching trouser designs, matching shoes designs, matching cap design. Beautiful frock designs. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.